So, you're in your backyard trying to determine which skimmer you have from the Savio lineup. We have two different skimmers. One's the standard, one's the compact. Standard obviously is bigger. To identify the compact skimmer, two things. First thing you'll notice is there's two small filter pads, one on each side. Next thing is there's one port for a UV light, and it's in the center of the skimmer. Okay, that is a compact skimmer. Standard skimmer, obviously bigger, 16-inch weir. Also has the ability to go down to an 8.5-inch weir. One large filter mat and two ports for UV light, one on this side, one on this side. Pretty easy to identify which is which. So when you're talking to someone at Savio Engineering, having some technical issues, they're going to want to know which skimmer you have. That's how you identify.